Hi everyone, Alake Mano here. I welcome you to my channel. And if you are coming or if you are here for the first time, I really would recommend that you subscribe to this channel because I teach a lot of things about smartphone graphic design and also how to make money out of it, how to make money doing it. In all, I really teach how I've already made over several thousands of naira per month consistently, even from designing with my smartphone for people. So do well to subscribe and you will never remain the same. All right, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create simple flyer designs. All right, and this is just one method out of the so many that I know. All right, and I cannot put everything in one video, so I'm going to be putting that in this video to show you how you can show you a method that you can use to design simple flyer designs that will also be very attractive and also useful. All right, so first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to open our Pixellab. All right, so we open our Pixellab and then we're going to delete this. All right, delete this. So what we're going to do right now is to import a shape. All right, import a shape, and this shape is going to be our background, which is white. All right, and if maybe there are two ways of creating a background, right? The first one is using a shape, and I can put the shape like this, and then lock it right here. Alright, so that becomes my background. No matter how much I touch it, it's not going to move. That becomes my background, and I can put anything on it. Or I can, go to this part that looks like two blocks are stacking upon each other. That's what it means by background. So everything that is here is used to change the background. So if I want to do it, I can just change the color to white, right? White. So like I said, it's a simple design. I want to make it classy and very, very functional. Okay, so I'm going to import some files. If you want these files to practice this project, you can check the description below. I've put a link there for you to be able to get these resources from me. All right, so I'm going to just import some of the stuffs I've gotten that we're going to use. All right, so I have the products. All right, I also have let's use this also. Our logo is going to be our logo. And is that all? 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 Okay, let me just use this for something funny, which will come along. So I'm going to just put this off. Start with the logo. So I'm going to on my grid system so that I can center it. One rule of graphic design is that your design must be balanced. All right, your design must be balanced. And one thing you will notice in this design is that if you look at this, the centering is not perfect for this particular logo. Why? Because it is more on this side, right, than this side. So I'm going to just center it myself, bring it here, use it. Okay, so I'm just gonna click here and then center it myself. Alright, so there you have your logo. So what I'm going to do next is that I'll now begin to import my text. Or let me use this image I brought in. Let's pick a name from this design. Dr. Al-Kaitis. So let me just use, for the name of the company, I'm going to bring in the text and then make it Dr. Al-Kaitis or whatever that is. So I'll change the font. So in this design I'm going to be using Gotham Medium. So I'm just going to put that there, and of course place it at the center. Alright, place it right at the center. There you have that. So next I'm going to just add so let's say this is a beauty product, or let me say it's a cosmetics, Dr. Al-Kaitis Cosmetics. Alright, so I'm going to change the color. I'm going to change the color to this green, and if you want to check the Xcode. This is it right here. All right. Sorry. This is the Xcode right here. So you can copy that and use it whichever way you want. Okay. So I'm going to just reduce this a little bit more, and of course place it at the center. What's the size? The size is 60. So I'm just going to change the font. No, I don't want to use the same font, so I'm going to use Gotham Medium for this. So I'll center it, and there we have that. So I'm going to bring this down here and then add my very funny designs right there, and of course bring this in. So I'm trying to show that is 100% certified. Now it's not showing clearly, so I will just change the color of this PNG. That's one thing about Pixellab. It's very useful to do things like this. So I'll just leave it that way, since it's such a way that you can be able to see it. Okay, so I increase this so that it can be balanced and proportional to one another. Is that all? Is that all I can bring in? Okay, let me see. Let's see. Okay, let me bring this in as well. So I'm going to drop all of this. I'm going to drop the link to all of this just right in the description below. So I'll put it right at the back, and then so I'm going to center this to use it as midpoint for my design. So what I want to do is just click the one at the back, alright? Click the one at the back, copy it, and then what you're going to do is go to eraser, and then I'm going to completely erase this. I'm going to show you what I want to do. Then I'm going to increase this a little to make it, to give it a notion of it being larger. Now take it right to the back, and there you have that. So I'm going to mark all of this that we have in there, and I'm going to bring it down. Alright, bring it down like that. So I don't like the way it's not really dark, so I'm going to edit it and then increase the saturation a bit and reduce the brightness. Okay, so I'll do the same thing for the one behind. Just increase the saturation to 30 and then reduce the brightness to about 15. Alright, and that's that. So since we have this already, that's that, and then the next thing you're going to do is have a text, and what this will be about is edit the text and put about product. So the fonts I'm going to use for this is going to be Gotham Medium for the heading, and I'll change the color to this thick green. Alright, thick green color. Reduce its size to 15 and then put it right there. So then I can copy this, edit it, and just add okay, let me add a text from here, from this place. So I'm not looking for motivation, I'm looking for positivity, since that's to do with your body. Okay, let's see. So let me just use this. Okay, so we have that, and I'm going to be changing the font. I don't want it to be the same with, I'm going to put Gotham Book. So we have that there. Alright, So okay, so we have that, and this is just something very simple, and it really works. So what I want to do now is, listen, pay attention. I'm going to mark all these images, not all of them, just the one that's just the product. So I merge it. So look at what I merged. These are the things I merged. All right, now reduce it a little bit because of what I want to do. Please pay attention. Then what I'll do is that I'm going to copy it, then change the color to black. Can you see that? Then I'll go to perspective in image, that is under this image here. Go to perspective and just give it like a perspective to be on the ground, just like that. All right, so I'm gonna just bring it right under that, take it below it, increase it a little. I will lock this one because I'm still dealing with the one, this black one at the back. So I'm going to reduce the opacity to about 30. Then I'm going to take it up. I'll just put it somewhere like this. So it's going to give it that feel. So 25. Just put it as 25. So it's going to give it that background feel, like a light. It's light reflecting. So I'm going to click on it and just center it properly for the design. Okay, and there you have that. So this is as simple as it can get. All right, and what I just do is just to give you some finishing touches. I'm gonna get in let's see, let's go to my PNG files. I'm going to import a tree. Okay, should we use this? This really goes with our color. So I'm gonna just put this right there. Alright, and then you're done. You're just completely done. So if you want to just spice it up, you can reduce this, and then place it at the center. Take this up a little, give it spacing, and you're done. Just make sure that your designs are quite together, alright? Quite together, and equal spacing. Dr. Akaitis Cosmetics and the logo is up. The product image is right in between. Look at equal spacing, and then this quality is just something I just put right in, or I can put it. Sorry, let me lock those. So I can put it somewhere here, or just here. I don't want to put it here, so, just give it that feel. And of course, you can just play around. So there you have it. Okay, so that's how you design a very simple product design. I hope you learned something. So I really want us to be deliberate with what we're doing here. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, and drop a like if you really learned something. Drop a comment to let me know what you learned, and also if there's anything you want me to explain in my next video, just let me know. I'm here for you. Alright, so let me just show you real time what we designed. What we have designed. Go to your images, Pixellab, click on it, and use it. Alright, this is just it. Very simple and very